This is the world's most dangerous alarm clock, meaning when it goes off, it'll close these scissors, cutting this rope, dropping this anvil onto my head. Ugh, let's see if it works. Oh, geez. But since this could actually kill me, I'm gonna use this ballistic head instead that has bones, meat, and a brain. Whoa! I think you would definitely die, so this one's gonna be ineffective. But I have tons of other dangerous alarm clocks. I've got one that shoots you, one that throws you out of bed. I even have one that's just my room full of roosters. Now, this next one physically assaults me. Our next alarm clock is the slapper alarm clock. So Simone Giertz actually made this alarm, so shout out to you. It spins around and smacks you in the face when your alarm clock goes off.
Reminds me of the thing from Jackass.
Yeah, it does. Oh, that's gonna smack the piss out of me. So the way this thing works is we have a motor that spins a hand. This plugs into your alarm clock, and when the alarm goes off, that thing starts to spin uncontrollably.
So basically, it's just a giant drill with a hand on it.
Honestly, when you put it like that, it literally is, yeah. Bro, this is nerve-wracking. Oh, no. Sleeping is kind of hard knowing that you're gonna get smacked. That hurts so much. Is my face red?
Yeah.
Dude, this alarm clock's freaking perfect. That one was effective, but I've got a whole lineup of insane alarm clocks to test. Like a catapult bed or a room full of angry roosters. But next, I'm wiring a clock to a set of high-speed dart blasters. So powerful, they can even shatter glass. And I know the perfect guy to test this one out. Manuel. No more oversleeping, buddy.
Dude, I like how you just interrupt my normal schedule to do some dumb shit every time.
My buddy Manuel here is a notoriously heavy sleeper. I've tried ridiculous ways to wake him up in the past. But this will be the first time my plan will actually harm him. Oh, damn. This is gonna be hard to fit all of them
I
here.
don't mean to roast the guy, but like...
Get a bigger room!
You guys can't come into my fucking house and just start roasting the shit out of my room.
You need to get more inspirational fucking posters, buddy. Manuel, just give us like 5 minutes or so.
Yeah.
It's gonna be renovated. All right, so here's the idea. We're gonna set up these blasters to aim at the bed, so when the alarm goes off, they'll shoot 180 darts at Manuel in 3 seconds. Just getting them all aimed, you know, nice and right. We gotta get one wean shot for sure.
Oh, definitely.
Should we grab Manuel, show him what we got? All right, open your eyes in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, that's, bro, this is crazy.
Surprise, bro.
Bro, I'm not, this is fucking scary as hell.
All right, so just so Manuel kind of gets a feel for like how this, you know, hurts, I'm gonna do just one shot at your leg.
Hey, man, hey, stop!
All right, we have everything set up. Manuel just needs to have a great night of rest. We'll be back here in about 8 hours when he's nice and rested. See you guys in the morning.
Hey guys, it's me. I want to go to sleep. That's what I'm dealing with tonight. Hopefully, I wake up and I still have both of my eyes. Anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep now.
All right, it's the next morning. It's almost 11 a.m. Manuel has not even thought about waking up.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My ass.
Did it work?
Yeah, yes.
But Manuel has no idea that I've got a mystery alarm clock coming for him later. But first, I want to see what happens if you take a sunrise alarm clock, a clock that's supposed to naturally wake you up by getting brighter, and make it painfully bright. All right, I rented thousands of watts worth of lights, and I even purchased a $700 flashlight. They advertise it as the world's brightest flashlight.
What the hell?
Anything to wake up on time, brother. It's like the sun is here. And what if I told you that's not even the brightest light? This is just for atmosphere. This is the real damage doer. We have this modified to plug into our alarm clock to show you guys how bright this thing can get.
I'm gonna just point it at this wall, and we're just double checking that we're not gonna go blind. All right, here we go. This is turbo.
Whoa, it's hot over here. I can feel the heat. Oh my god, my hand hurts.
Well, okay, let's not.
Oh, it hurts.
All right, I'm gonna turn turbo off.
Oh! Willie, you're gonna kill me.
All right, wait a minute. I don't know how to turn it off on turbo. It burnt the carpet instant.
No! With the flashlight?
Yes. Dude, Sam's gonna murder me.
That's crazy.
Let's not say anything.
See if she Yeah, she won't find out till the video comes out.
Sam. Oh, she's still showering. We're good. She takes long ass showers.
That's why the water bill's so high.
What the f happened to your face?
What are you doing?
I just made this an alarm clock. You excited?
No. I like it better when you film outside of the house.
Yeah, me too. Hop on in bed. Oh my God! It's perfect! Oh, I can't even open my eyes all the way. How do I turn this thing off?
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh, it's perfect, bro. You can wake up to that no problem. All right, so for our next alarm clock, our boy Tyler is gonna be testing it out. It looks like this right now. This is a catapult bed that uses pneumatic pistons to literally launch you out of your sleep. That's you, bro! Whoa. Are you excited? Yo, Kurt, you think we can go like 100, 200% more than that?
Double.
Double? Okay.
Actually? My chiropractor's gonna love this one, right?
You look scared, bro. We didn't have time to actually hook this thing up to the alarm. So in order for this alarm to work, you need someone to manually press a button.
I'm excited.
Wait, Kurt, big favor. Do you think I could press the button?
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh,
Yes!
I'm a lot more nervous.
What the heck? I'm gonna press the button. It's gonna be perfect.
Oh God.
I'm just gonna hold these for like whenever I need them. Go to bed, Tyler. Stop looking at me. Close those eyes.
I'm not looking at you.
Stop looking at me.
This is how I sleep.
That's not how you sleep.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
I'm sleeping.
Oh, you flinched. You thought I was gonna do it. I feel like I have so much power right now. I'm gonna press the button in 3, 2, 1. Just kidding. Keep waiting, buddy.
That was mean.
That was fucking rude.
All right, clearly he was very awake when I did it that time, so we're gonna do this one more time while he's sleeping. Just close your eyes, yeah, just get comfortable. All right, go to bed.
I tend to fall asleep when I'm really nervous.
All right, you better get to it.
That and shit myself.
Oh, don't do that one.
Oh my God.
It looks like the Hulk grabbing Loki.
All right, just to make sure it works on men and women.
I'm for the women.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. You're way lighter than Tyler is.
That one's definitely effective.
For this next alarm clock, I need to ask my girlfriend for permission.
Is there any chance I could put a bunch of roosters in our room to wake us up?
Turns out my girlfriend said we can't do it in my room, so I'm in my buddy Willie's room. My boy. Willie's my best friend and my roommate. He went and picked up all these chickens. We're gonna have a slumber party. Everyone knows roosters are supposed to crow when the sun rises. But I wanna know if they could actually work as reliable alarm clocks, or are they just good for shitting all over the place?
They're all awakening. What's happening?
Dude, they're having like a moment right now. Tyler is having a breakdown right now.
That was crazy.
Look how big his feet are.
Oh, you shit.
Shit on the ground.
Dude, this is too much, bro.
I think we should have got one.
It feels like it's like them versus us right now.
Tyler has a crippling fear of birds.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, while you guys do this one tonight, I'll test my own old-fashioned alarm clock.
Okay.
So this right here is one of the oldest alarm clocks ever made. Apparently people used to do this back in the day. You take a candle, screw screws into it. So that way as the wax burns, the screws fall out and hit this metal bowl. And ideally, that noise wakes you up and you'd be like, oh, I'm awake now. Let me go tend to my sheep. We'll see if that actually works. Putting this next to the bed seems like a bad idea.
King boy here is, leave your shit on the bed, you dickhead. What do you have to say for yourself? This has been really challenging living with roosters. This guy right here has shit on the bed about 4 times. He scares me. I'm gonna name him Uncle Rick.
I'm gonna have to get accustomed to the smell.
The smell is pretty bad. I don't love that Uncle Rick's on the nightstand, but it is really funny for the intro shot if I'm like, I have a rooster here. Actually, I have 10 roosters.
Can't believe we're doing this in my room.
Tyler's actually downstairs right now in his room testing out another alarm clock that's also quite old.
Wow. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Hope I don't roll over and throw this into the fire.
I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of our alarm clock. We got Uncle Rick, he's head rooster. He stays on the nightstand to cockle-doodle-doo to let all these other fools know what to do. We got Greg, we got Paul, we got Bartholomew, Justin, Mosby, Chicken Little, Stuart, Mario, his brother Luigi.
Dude, how does bird flu transfer?
I looked it up actually. It's pretty like exactly what we're doing is how you can get it.
Huh.
Yeah, feces is the main way.
That's horrible, dude. You know,
Oh my God, Uncle Rick, what are you doing looking at me, bro?
Yo, Uncle Rick, chill the f out, bro. This rooster's big as hell, dude. He's the boss around here. Roosters are supposed to start crowing at around 5 to 6 a.m. They have an internal clock, never fails.
Some people theorize that T-Rexes look like chickens.
Dude, I actually believe that. Look at those things, bro.
Alright, well, I'm gonna get some water.
Can you give me some?
Yeah, I'll get you water. I'll be back in like 30 seconds, probably.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
He's not coming back.
I'm not coming back. I'm not sleeping with any fucking chickens.
Guys, Willie's been gone for like 10 minutes. I don't think he's coming back. Uncle Rick started standing up. Feels like he could really turn on me at any given second. Oh, sunrise is in a few hours. I'm gonna hit the hay. Oh shit! Uncle Rick, what the f was that about? Don't look at me like that.
All right, I'll be honest. That was much louder than expected. You do technically wake up, so it does its job. This one's getting the check mark. All right, let's do a cool transition out.
Uncle Rick, how dare you?
Hey, Todd. Good morning.
The sun's up. What the hell's wrong with you chickens? Honestly, all in all, the worst alarm clock ever because they don't wake you up. Even though that one was a fail, I do still have one final alarm clock, and it might just be the most effective yet. Hey, so behind me I have a mariachi band to wake up my friend Manuel. He has no idea we're here. Let's go get him.
You gotta be super quiet. I'll let you guys know. I'll say go when I say go.
Cumbia!
He's so resilient. So strong. I think it's working. How was that? Like, what would you rate that alarm clock?
Man, get out of my room!
What was that? One more time? Do you guys want to watch a video even better than this one? Click one right here. Thank you guys for watching.